Hello, welcome sa live. May nais lang, wait lang. Wait lang guys. Oh, Prolova is out. We're gonna do a reaction video later guys. Thank you sa pag-follow. Sinendo sa akin yung mga leaks kay Prolovo. Spoiler oh. Tingnan natin naman. Hindi ko muna panoorin. Bago na naman silang ano. Ay, nagamag ka na pala to. Hello thank you sa pag-join ng live. Ito na naman tayo si 75%. Nakakainis. Nagbabalat na naman labi ko. Ingay. Wait lang guys. Ba't ganun ko siya nag-open yung ano? Kung saan nag-open to? Hello ulit. Naglag ako. Hello sir, welcome sa live.
Go ahead and bark after dark, fallen star, I'm your one call away.
Napaka-often ng love ko lately, hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Motel halls, neon walls, when night falls, I am your escape. When you lay awake, something I wanted to feel. If you've been waiting for falling in love, baby, you don't have to wait on me. 'Cause I've been aiming for heaven above.
Masyado ba maliwanag? Maliwanag ba masyado? Dim light ko. Yan.
Not anyone, you're the one, more than fun, you're the sanctuary. 'Cause what you want is what I want, sincerity. So
Parang angat ko yung video camera ko. Wait lang.
I'll give you something so real.
Yan.
If you've been
Hello.
waiting for falling in love,
Saan ko pa pwede ilagay ito?
you don't have to wait on me. 'Cause I've been aiming for heaven above, but an angel ain't what I need.
Wala sa taas? Ano yan?
Me on
Alam ko pwede tanggalin yung background nito, pero sige ang down na.
just how long our lives will be.
Naka-live. Ay, thank you sa pag-like ng live.
If you've been waiting for falling in love,
Wala pa. May Prolova leaks na. Ilan natin. Tingnan natin mamaya.
Anything specific for you?
Sinend na sa akin yung ano, information.
I'm sure your wishes will come true.
Grabe, ngayon lang ako nag-aayos. Dumating yung tita ko kanina, kaya madami akong ginawa. Hello, thank you sa pag-like ng live. Hello, welcome po. Wow. May panor. Lumabas na si Prolopa guys, tignan natin mamaya. I mean yung leaks pala. Alam ko leaks kasi, hindi ko alam kung trusted ba o hindi. Pero leaks kasi. Maganda guys si si Kuro maglabas. Pagaya ni ni Carte. Diba? Tamad alam mo na nga. Talaga ko nga i-challenge si Brand. Na naman. Nakailan challenge na ako kay Brand, hindi ko matalo-talo si Brand, nakakainis.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around you, scared As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Today's story is
The girls that miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose
Saan si Brant?
when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Underground when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose.
Wala akong ano, diba? Electro and light. Dalawa tayo.
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Natin guys kung gagana to. Hirap kasi pag ano yung pag walang salamin. Wala akong salamin ngayon. Shit, dalawa agad di ako makakapasok ha. Pasok ko to. Labas ko to. Pasok. Ha? Gagi, napakain ko. Talo na naman ako neto kay Brant. Ulit nga. One hit lang ako ni Brant eh. Nakakainis eh.
But since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over,
Good eye down that carousel, just one blow.
Sakat na ng leeg ko.
I wanna hold you just for a while and tell me
Masyado malakas yung music na.
if the world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
Hinaan na to ng konti. Para hindi masyado nakakagulo. Hinaan na to ng konti.
Lost in the words that we speak. I don't even wanna do this anymore. 'Cause you already know what you mean to me. And my love's the only one worth fighting for. Wherever you go,
That's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow.
So I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like
So, di ba maliwanag? Yes. Tatsuya, welcome sa live. Mukhang talo agad ako ah. Panalo ba ako? Ay, ako panalo pala. Hindi ko nakita. Nakadalawang deck na siya. Ako din, nakatatlong deck na. I mean, nakatatlong cards. Pangad pala pakinggan. Talunin niya yan. Talunin niya yan. Ako po, mukhang matatalo pa nga ako. Shit, patay na. Ay, kalong patay na ako eh.
Kumusta ang biyahe na pagkakaganda?
Di ko regret my huwag nain I love you. Alam mo ako. Talo na naman ako. Grabe. Hindi man lang ako binigyan ng ng ultimatum mo. Eh, pala hinarap ko yung dalawa. Talo na naman. Talo na naman nga. Di man lang tinulungan yung isa. Ay, panalo. Okay. Hindi maganda. Tatlong rounds pa. Huwag ka lang gumalaw, Brad. Chris lang. So, just isang hit na lang ako. Isang one hit na lang. Harap natin to, ito. Ay, hindi, ilibid natin tong ano. Harap natin tong bear. Hindi na pala. Okay na yan. Talo na naman. Hindi na talaga talunin ni Brad, nakakainis. Ayoko na, I hate you. Oo, eh. Ay, sorry. Gag. Wag na tayo mapatugtog. May warningan na tayo. Wag na mapatugtog, guys. May warning na ako.
More! Pour me another! Try this art form. Endorsed by Luca herself. And now, we're offering a limited edition special for the Aegon. The first 100 orders, signed autograph of Miss Luca.
Oh, smells so good.
Try this art form. Endorsed by Luca herself. And now, we're offering a limited edition special for the Aegon. First 100 orders, signed autograph of Miss Luca. Try this art form, endorsed by Luca herself. And now, we're offering a limited edition special for the Aegon. First 100 orders get a signed autograph of Miss Luca.
The Knight's challenge has arrived. I can fly too.
Di pa nakapunta dun eh, nakakainis.
Farewell, great city of Septimont. When I grow up, I'll be the strongest gladiator. And then I'll find
Looks like they're about to fight. Shouldn't we stop? Who's on this?
Check out this gear! Crafted by Vulcan Knight!
get the champion special and you'll be
can fly too.
Na-atching ako. Ba't naman ako mag-teleport, di ba? Ba't pa ako lumilipad? Ang arte ko talaga.
Oh, smells so good. Today's story is the great battle between a righteous knight and the wicked Threnodian.
Sabi nila may pupuntahan daw ako ditong ano. Pangalan nun. Ito ba yun? Ay, hindi. Somewhere over the rainbow. Ay. Layo. Uy, si Lupa. Ay, meron pala dito. Naghanap pa ako doon, meron pala dito. Saan kaya yun? Meron ditong meron ditong hidden quest eh. Banda dito yun, alam ko sa may gitna. Hanapin natin guys.
bro.
Get the champion special, and you'll be one step closer to victory.
Nasaan yun? Ito ba yun? Ito yun, di ba? Isa pa. Ito yung ano. Tapos ko na ba to? Ayun, tapos ko na to. Asa yung isa? May isa pa dito eh. Hindi yan yun. Asan dito yun? Balik tayo ano? Mali na naman na pinindot ko. Muscle memory ba?
Oh, smells so good.
Feeling ko may kulang pa ako sa Jinsho eh. Feeling ko lang. Wala na pala. Wala ba akong missing chest dito? Pili ko may missing chest pa ako eh. Mukhang wala na nga. Sige, balik tayo ng ano.
I see. Yes. I can feel the tension in the streams.
Lumabas na daw yung leaks ni Prolova. Panoorin ba natin? Tignan natin, guys. Sagutin na natin yung ano. Tignan natin guys yung leak sa lumabas na daw, diba? Lumabas na? Leak lang daw kasi kaya hindi ako masyado naniniwala eh. Pero tignan natin. Tignan natin guys. Saan na yung parang ang liit masyado. Pwede ba ito ibaba? Pwede naman pala ibabati. Ayun. Ito ba yun? Ito ba yun? Ay, ito pala. Tignan natin guys. Yung leaks kay Prolova. Tignan natin guys yung ano, yung leaks kay Prolova. Sa ano yun, diba? Nasa Reddit. Kasi sinend sa akin yung link ng ano, ng page. Thank you guys. Thank you pala kay ano, Modeling Waves link, yung ano, yung isa sa admins nila. Ayan. Tignan natin. Ito yun, diba? Saan ang mga graphics? Tignan natin, panoorin natin. Okay, mukha siyang ano, mukha siyang si mukha siya malungkot eh, no? Lagi siya malungkot. Pero ang ganda ng outfit niya. Ang ganda ng dress. Uy! Is that... Ano yung Hecate ba yun? Yung Hecate na boss? Ay no. Gamit niya. Eh, model. Ay, ang galing. Ang galing siya, oh. Yung weapon niya, guys, ang ganda ng weapon niya. Oh. Tignan natin mamaya yung weapon. Okay. Ayun yung ano niya. Ayun yung heavy attack, no? Tama ba? Yung pag ginol mo ng matagal. Parang si ano, parang si Yinlin lang din yung may pagulong-ganon, no? Yung parang may kidlat-kidlat. Ang galing. Ay, meron siyang Hecate, oh. Part niya yung Hecate. Eh, bow. Ang ganda. Uy, Gugi, ang galing. Ulit. Ba't siya malungkot? Gagi, ba't siya malungkot? Isa pa. Panoorin natin. Oh, ang lungkot niya. Ba't siya malungkot? Meron dalawang, Meron daw dalawang form yung ultimate niya. So, para siyang nilorobot niya yung Hecate. Ang galing. Ano ba siya? DPS or sub-DPS? Parang pwede siya maging sub-DPS, no? And buffer. Feeling ko buffer to. Kasi ang galing ng ult niya, oh. May parang robot. Parang kinakontrol niya yung, yung Hecate. Wait lang, yung Hecate ba tsaka siya, iisa lang? She's not doing the most, diba? She's doing the least for the most. Ang galing, ang galing. Tingnan pa natin yung iba pa. Ah, ito! Oh, ito. Ito yung leak. Na dalawa daw yung ano niya. Ang galing. Ano to? Ito yung ano, diba? Sabi nila may background music daw. Ito oh. Pakinggan natin. Sabi nila may background music daw yung ultimate ni Prolova. Kagaya nung kagaya nung kay Chia ko na. Tignan natin guys. Narinig nyo ba? Ganda. Ay, nakakiti siya. Ang ganda. Siya rin ba yung kumakanta nito? Or ano? Ang galing oh. Andun lang siya sa taas. Nakapo lang, ganda lang. Ganda-ganda lang siya. Wala siya ginagawa. She's doing the least for the most. I love her for that. Ang galing. Ay, ang galing. Ganda. It's a pull. It's a pull. Pull natin to guys. Ipapull ko to. Ito yung ano niya. Dito, yung idle animation daw niya maganda eh. Tingnan natin. Idle animation number 1. Ay, may kamay. Anong ginagawa? Anong ginagawa ng kamay niya sa loob? Nagagawin naman siyang laruan. Wow. Ang ganda. May optimization na sila. Nakabalik na talaga siya na parang si Camellia. Ang gara. Ay, ang ganda niya. Yun na diba yung malaking Hecate? Yung ano? Yung second form ng Hecate sa boss fight. Na? Tama ba? Ito naman yung menu showcase niya. Menu showcase ni Prolova. Tingnan yung menu showcase. Lagi siya malungkot, no? Pagod siguro to. Galing. Meron siyang wand. Ano yung weapon niya? Ay, ito! Isa pa nga. Ang ganda ng weapon niya. Parang violin. Or is that violin talaga? Ang galing. Ay, pula. Ay, oo, kulay pula, no? Sabi sa leaks, di ba, is yung Praxedus daw is kulay red yung parang lalagyanan ng echo set nila. Di ba, no? So, Havoc dun pala to. Sakto na, kailangan ako ng Havoc user. Ay, Havoc resonator, no? Pwede. Kasi yung Camellia ko kasi, hindi siya maayos yung build niya ngayon. So, hindi ko siya masyado magamit. Kasi may problema yata yung build ko sa kanya. Pero tingnan natin. Mukhang maganda to. Sub DPS yata to or buffer. Ito yung niya. Yung resonance chain. Ang ganda. Wala ba silang yung parang pwedeng tignan ko ano yung makukuha mo pag nakakompleto mo yung resonance chain. Yun nasa baba. Ito yung yung resonance chain 1, 2 hanggang 6. Genshin yan, hindi po. Hi Shoto, si Shoto pala to. Hi Shoto. Hindi siya Genshin. Ano ba? Meron pa bang mga leaks? Tingnan ko, baba pa ako mamaya. Ang lungkot niya, no? Tapos yung ano, sa ultimate niya, di ba nagdudugo yung mata niya? Ang galing. Ano, umiyak ba siya dito? Ikaw umiiyak siya. Oo nga, ayun, no? May nakita niya yung luha. Ayun, no? Umiiyak siya, guys. Tignan nyo. Lumuluha siya. Ayun, no, oh. Oh, kawawa naman. Siguro siya yung gumagawa ng lahat sa Fractodus team. Grabe na yung parang ano yung lahat ng mga mga characters sa Fractodus parang pagod. Parang sila mga pagod, no? Ito yung weapon niya, guys. Ito. Ang galing. Ano siya, parang violin, no? Ito yung may isa pang leaks. Ano natin to? Tingnan natin yung leaks. Panoorin mo siya to. Sila pa gawin nila yung ano, no, dodge animation niya. Parang siya naglalaho or something. Ang ganda niya, mukha siya matangkad, no? Kawawa naman si Carlota ko. Napapag-iwanan siya ng height. Eh. Ano na itong kalaban niya? Bagong boss ba to? Or bagong NPC na kalaban? Galing. Ito yung ito guys, ito naman yung second idol animation niya. Tingnan natin. Ay, third pala. Ito yung Hecate. Para may something no? Nabibirdohan ako. Ano ba siya? Part ba siya ng LGU? Part ba siya ng LGU tsaka ng LDGTV? Joke lang. Ano pa yung mga leaks? Ito naman yung second animation niya yata. Second idol animation. Nawala. Asa na? Ito. May music. May music ulit. May background siguro tong kanta or something. Umuulan lang. Umuulan ng nota. Ay! Ang pakipakinggan. Okay, ang galing. Wala na, yun lang yung spoiler nila for today's video. Grabe guys, ang ganda. Maganda yung pagkalabas, tsaka yung pagkagawa. Abangan natin si Scar. What if si Scar, may two form, di ba? Panoorin natin guys. Masyadong maliwanag, no? What if guys, lalabas si Scar soon? Panoorin natin guys. Abangan natin si Scar. Hindi inaabangan ko, sana dumating na siya. Pero feeling ko talaga darating na siya talaga. Anyways, proceed na tayo sa laro. Ay, Shoto. Thank you sa pag-like ng live. Ay. Naod ka, Shoto. Baka magbago isip mo sa Wuthering Waves.
The Academy has noted a concerning rise in tacit field activities. Please use caution when exiting the city.
Alam ko na to eh. Skip na natin yan.
The Honorable Madame Jinzi, our great magistrate of Jinzhou, was handpicked by Sentinel Jur. Her status as the Sentinel's appointed resonator is
Ganda.
rare among all past magistrates. Our Jinzhou was leaderless for years until Jur finally chose her to be the next magistrate, and she answered the call. To
Oo, may mobile
we
neto.
must start
May
the
pwede siya sa
battle
mobile.
beneath the Crescent. The Norfall Barrens, scarred by countless wars, discarded weapons scattered like bones. Our soldiers had fought to reclaim the land for years, to no avail. Overthrax, the dreadful Threnodian monster, fed on the frequencies of weapons, turning our fallen soldiers into deadly tacit discourse. General of the Midnight Rangers, Geshu Lin.
Eh, Geshelin guys. Geshelin is out. Sana bigyan niya yung nakakarungan si Geshelin. What if buhay pala siya, no? Or andyan na siya sa paligid?
Against the blood-red crescent that foretold destruction.
Geshelin, our crop top king.
Flames, laying waste to all who dared stand in his way. Victory seemed certain. Until the retroact rain began to fall. Raindrops fell upwards as in the past. Monsters raged, loyal souls fell to blood-soaked sands, infernal carnage. Issuing his last command, Geshu Lin demanded all soldiers stand firm no matter what happened.
Ano yun yung Graveless? Or,
Sacrificing his body to the
Crownless?
black flames for power, Geshu Lin charged at the Overthrax with all his might, and he was never seen again. After the fall of their leader, the remaining soldiers despaired until the deafening roar
Ayun na
of
si Ana
Jinlong
Jian.
struck like lightning. A lone youth bravely stood up to lead a hard-won retreat. After the battle, that young man who tamed the wind ascended to fame, becoming the new general of the Midnight Rangers, selected by Sentinel Jur.
Jur. Sentinel Jur.
On the other hand, General Geshu was blamed for the massive losses that occurred under his command, earning him a notorious reputation at Guanlong. That battle struck us hard, but our Sentinel rose from its long slumber to select a new magistrate who will guide us into the future.
Ganda ng Ganda ng dragon.
Despite the previous disaster, Jinzhou was off to a promising start under our Sentinel and the new magistrate's guidance. The people held hope for a better tomorrow.
Okay. Ganda ng kwento. Hindi kasi makuha excitement ko ngayon kasi natapos ko na to eh.
Maybe the Sentinel had its own special ways of.
Grabe, ang dami ko na na-unlock. Wala ba yung nakukuha reward?
There's still some time, but
Oh, hello! Hey, Grandma Lynn! We're...
Andiyan ka pa ba, Shoto? Thanks.
Cherish every gain.
This should be the shortcut to the Bat Mountain. Once we cross the waterfall, we'll reach Mount Pingting. The flowers seem to be showing us the way.
Uy, Severina.
Let's follow it.
Hindi, di ba? Severina. Ito ba yun? Sa taas yun, di ba? Severina. Severina, here I come.
Bridge of flowers. Huh, that's impressive.
Hey, Verina. Programa lang si si Calcharo. Kit ng batang to. Pagod na pagod to eh.
Hello? Are you lost? Do you need... I could probably make one for you with my resonance ability.